Okay, here the problem is evaluate integral within limits 0 to a, integral within limit 0 to x, integral within limit 0 to x plus y, e power of x plus y plus z dx dy dz. Okay. Okay. Notice that for the third integration, limits are in the function of x and y. Okay. Therefore, we have to consider as z is equal to 0 to z is equal to x plus y. Limits are z is equal to 0 and z is equal to x plus y. And we will integrate the function e power of x plus y plus z with respective z. Okay, with respective z. Since we are integrating with respect to z, x and y are constants. Okay, and for the second integration, since limits are in the function of x and here constants are x and y, we have to assume the limits, we have to consider the limits as y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x. Okay, therefore it is x equals to 0 to x is equal to a. Okay, therefore z is equal to 0 to z is equal to x plus y for the third integration, and for the second integration y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x, and the for the first integration limits are x equals to 0 to x is equal to a. Okay, this is given function. Okay, now first we will integrate this function with respect to z. Okay, what is the integral value of e power of x plus y plus z? E power of x plus y plus z. Okay, because integration of e power of x is e power of x. Here limits are 0 and x plus y. Okay, now first we will replace z with x plus y, then next with 0. We will replace z with x plus y. Therefore, e power of x plus y plus x plus y, x plus y plus x plus y, 2x plus y. Okay, minus now we will replace z with 0, that is x plus y plus 0, minus of e power of x plus y dx dy. Okay, therefore now we will integrate this function with respect to y, with respect to y, because the limits are y is equal to 0, y is equal to x. Therefore the integral value of e power of 2 of x plus y is e power of 2 of x plus y by 2 minus integral value of e power of x plus y is e power of x plus y. Limits are 0 and x. Okay, now we will replace y first with x minus next with 0, that is e power of 2 into x plus x. Upper limit is x, and x plus x, 2x, 2 into 2 4x, d power of 4x by 2 minus e power of x plus x, e power of 2x, e power of 2x. Okay, upper limit is replaced. Now minus lower limit 0, we have to apply y, we have to apply 0 in place of y. Okay, x plus 0, e power of 2 into x plus 0, 2x, e power of 2x by 2 minus e power of x plus 0 e power of x, okay, dx. Integral with limit 0 to a. Now e power of 4x by 2 minus e power of 2x by 2 minus e power of 2x, sorry, e power of 4x by 2, e power of 4x by 2 minus of e power of 2x minus of e power of 2x by 2. Therefore, by adding these two functions we get minus of 3 into e power of 2x by 2. Okay, finally minus to minus plus e power of x, e power of x, e power of x dx, okay, is equal to, now since the limits are x equals to 0, x is equal to a, sorry, x equals to 0 to x is equal to a, we have to integrate this function with respect to x, okay, e power of 4x, integral value of e power of 4x is e power of 4x by 4 4 into 2 8 minus 3 into e power of 2x, e power of 2x by 2, 3 into e power of 2x by 2 into 2 4 plus e power of x, okay, limits are 0 to a. After applying the limits we get this function, okay, finally this is answer. Now let us solve this problem, okay. Here we notice that for the third integration limits are in the function of x and z, okay, x minus z, x plus z, they are in the function of x and z. Therefore we have to consider the limits as y is equal to x minus z, y is equal to x plus z. Therefore, because of consideration of these limits as y is equal to, and the limits of second integration are in the function of z, we have to consider these limits as x equals to, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to z, okay. Finally here z is equal to minus 1 to z is equal to 1, okay. Therefore, since the limits are y is equal to x minus z and y is equal to x plus z, we have to integrate this function with respect to z. Therefore, x and y are constants, okay. Now this is consideration of limits. For the third integration y is equal to x minus z to y is equal to x plus z. For the second integration limits are x equals to 0 to x is equal to z. For the first integration limits are z is equal to minus 1 to z is equal to 1. Now we will integrate this function with respect to z, okay. Integral value of x with respect to y is xy plus integral value of y is y square by 2. The integral value of z with respect to y is yz. Limits are x minus z, x plus z, x minus z, x plus z. Now after applying the limits, upper limit x plus z and lower limit x minus z, in place of z, in place of y, we get x into, replace y with x plus z, x into y, x into x plus z and replacing y with x minus z, we get minus x plus z, okay, plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. First we replace y with x plus z, that is x plus z square by 2, minus we will replace y with x minus z whole square by 2, In both of them 1 by 2 is constant, and plus the third function yz, we replace first with y with x plus z, that is x plus z into z, that is x z plus z square x plus z. Then we replace y with x minus z, that is minus x plus z. In both terms z is constant, z is common, dx dz. In this way, after simplification, finally we get this function xz plus z square plus xz dx. Now since the limits are x equals to 0 and x is equal to z, we have to integrate this function with respect to x. Okay, integral value of x is x square by 2 into z plus integral value of z square is z square x plus integral value of x is x square by 2 into z, x square by 2 into z with the limit 0 to z. Okay, 2 into integral with the limits minus 1 to 1. Now apply upper limit and lower limit. Okay, replace x with z first, z cube by 2 plus z into z square, z cube plus z square into z cube by 2. Next minus of replace x with 0, the 0 square, this term will become 0, this term is also become 0, this term is also will become 0. Okay, after simplification we get this one. In this way you can solve this one. Okay, finally z cube dz, here 2 is constant, 2 into 2 4. Okay, integral value of z cube is z power of 4 by 4 with the limits minus 1 to 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 equals to 0.